Good morning, everyone. I am Mrs. Priyanka Gupta and I teach subject biology of class ninth. And this is the second chapter going on. Second chapter is tissues. And this is the fifth part of the second chapter. And in fifth part, we have to discuss about the skeletal tissue. And skeletal tissue comes under the animal tissue. And this is the fifth type of animal tissue, that is the skeletal tissue. Now, what is a skeletal tissue? Skeletal tissue occurs in a rigid matrix and is called supportive connective tissue. Now, skeletal tissue, in every animal, skeletal tissue is found. Now, what is skeletal tissue? It is a type of supportive connective tissue, and skeletal tissue is of two types. First is bone and second is cartilage. Now with the help of a diagram, I will show you what is bone and what is cartilage. Now see, this is the diagram of a skeletal tissue. In this diagram, see, this is a diagram of a skeletal tissue. In this diagram, this is the bone and this is the bone. And at the side of the bone, this part which you are able to see, this part is called the cartilage, and this part, this swollen part is called the capsule, and the space present here is called the joint space, or you can also say joint fluid. Now what is bone? What is bone? Bone क्या होता है? Bone is a strong, rigid and non-flexible skeletal tissue in which fluid-filled lacunae contain bone cell within solid matrix. Now bone is a strong. Strong means hard. Rigid. Rigid means difficult to bend, जिसको कि bend ना किया जा सके. And non-flexible, जो कि flexible नहीं होता है, skeletal tissue है. Bone is a strong, rigid and non-flexible skeletal tissue. And inside the bone, there is a lacunae, and lacunae is filled with a fluid, contain bone cells in the solid matrix. Now, next one is the cartilage. This part is called the cartilage. Hope you all are able to see. This part is called the cartilage. Now, what is cartilage? Unlike bones, cartilage is a hard yet flexible connective tissue. This is also a connective tissue, but it is hard also. The fluid, hard also and flexible also. The fluid-filled lacunae present in matrix contains cells called chondrocytes. Now here also there is a, you can say, hole or pit that is found, and it is filled with the matrix present in the cartilage. And these matrix which is filled in the lacunae inside the cartilage is called the chondrocytes. Hope this much is clear to you all. Now we will move further. That is the next topic. That is the fluid connective tissue. And this is the sixth part of the animal tissue. That is the fluid connective tissue. Now what is fluid connective tissue? As the name clears by itself, that it connects the different type of fluid and tissues. Now the definition of fluid connective tissue is connection of tissues with the help of fluid like blood and lymph. इसमें क्या होता है fluid connective tissue में? This is also the connection of tissues. So many tissues are connecting together with the help of a fluid. Fluid की help से connect होते हैं बहुत से tissues, और fluid कैसे होते हैं? Like blood and lymph. Now in fluid connective tissue, again the first part is, it is of two types. First of all, fluid connective tissue is of two types. First one is blood and second one is lymph. Now what is blood? Blood क्या होता है? Blood is a red colored viscous fluid tissue which flows in entire body in blood vessels. Now blood क्या है? Blood red color का viscous fluid होता है. For example, अगर if you have got any injury, अगर आपको कभी चोट लगी हो ये, तो फिर आपने क्या देखा होगा, या फिर कोई कट लग गया हो, तो कट से क्या होता है, अ फ्लूइड कम्स आउट फ्रॉम योर बॉडी. तो दैट पर्टिकुलर फ्लूइड इज कॉल्ड द ब्लड एंड दैट इज इन रेड कलर. And this red color fluid flows inside our body with the help of blood vessels. There are vessels which are found inside our body, and this fluid, blood, flows in our body, in our whole body with the help of these vessels. Now the liquid matrix of blood is called plasma. Now see here, the liquid matrix of blood is called plasma. जितना भी लिक्विड मैट्रिक्स होता है, लिक्विड पार्ट होता है ब्लड का, दैट इज कॉल्ड द प्लाज्मा. एंड प्लाज्मा किस कलर का होता है? इट इज़ अ पेल येलो कलर. प्लाज्मा इज ऑफ पेल येलो कलर फ्लूइड विच कंसिस्ट ऑफ 90% वाटर एंड 10% प्रोटीन. प्लाज्मा में क्या होता है? 90% वाटर होता है और 10% प्रोटीन होता है. नाउ the functions of blood. What are the functions of blood? Blood helps in transportation. What is the first function of blood? That is transportation. Transportation means blood helps in transfer of all minerals, proteins from one part of the body to the other. That's why this is the first function, transportation. Second function is production of antibodies and antitoxins. Blood helps in the production of antibodies and antitoxins. Suppose अगर आपको कभी चोट लग जाती है, या if you are having any type of disease, तो ब्लड क्या करता है? उसके लिए हमारी बॉडी में एंटीबॉडीज़ और एंटीटॉक्सिन्स प्रोड्यूस करता है. देन थर्ड पॉइंट इज़ द क्लॉटिंग ऑफ ब्लड. वेन एवर यू गॉट इंजर्ड, या कभी भी आपको कट हो जाता है, हैंड में चोट लग जाती है, या कहीं पूरी बॉडी पार्ट में कहीं पे भी अगर कभी चोट लग जाती है, तो ब्लड क्या करता है? इट हेल्प्स इन द क्लॉटिंग. क्लॉटिंग मीन्स it stops the flow of blood by thickening the blood at that particular point, and that thickening part is called the clotting of blood. Now the fourth part is the maintenance and regulation of body temperature. Blood also maintains the body temperature. Blood also maintains a body temperature. Now the second part is lymph. What is lymph? Lymph is a pale yellow colored fluid tissue. Lymph क्या होता है? Lymph pale yellow color का fluid tissue होता है. Lymph is also a type of connective tissue, fluid connective tissue, but it is of pale yellow in color. एंड इट ट्रैप्स, इसका वर्क क्या होता है? इट ट्रैप्स द माइक्रोब्स एंड डिस्ट्रॉय देम. जितने भी माइक्रोब्स या फॉरेन बॉडीज़ होती हैं, फॉरेन जर्म्स होते हैं जो हमारी बॉडी में एंटर करते हैं, तो लिम्फ का वर्क क्या होता है? टू कैच देम एंड टू डिस्ट्रॉय देम, देयरबाय प्रोटेक्टिंग द बॉडी अगेंस्ट इन्फेक्शन कॉज्ड बाय देम. जिससे कि जो फॉरेन पार्टिकल्स है वो हमारी बॉडी में इन्फेक्शन कॉज नहीं कर पाए और हमारी बॉडी प्रोटेक्टेड रहे फ्रॉम द फॉरेन बॉडीज. होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड टिल हियर. नाउ विल मूव फर्दर. नाउ वी हैव टू डिस्कस अबाउट द डेंस रेगुलर टिश्यू. दिस इज द 7th पार्ट ऑफ द एनिमल टिश्यू. Now what is dense regular tissue? Again, it is a type of connective tissue and it is arranged in parallel bundles. What is dense regular tissue? Dense regular tissue is also a type of connective tissue and it is arranged in parallel bundles. Now again, dense regular tissue is of two types, tendon and ligament. Now I am going to show you the diagram. With the help of the diagram you will understand clearly. Now see here children, this is the diagram of dense regular tissue. This is the diagram of dense regular tissue. And in dense regular tissue there are two types. First is the tendon and second one is the ligament. Now I have colored the diagram for you all so that it will be clear to you all. See here, this is the bone. Blue color which you are able to see. The diagram in blue color, this is the bone. This is the part of bone. And this red color, this is the muscle. And this green color I have shown with the green color, that is the ligament. Now what is the work of tendon and ligament in dense regular tissue? Now see here. First of all, what is tendon? Tendon क्या होता है? Tendon is a white fibrous tissue made of collagen. Tendon क्या होता है? It is white color tissue, white color fibrous tissue, and it is made of collagen. It is tough, inelastic, cord-like structure formed of bundle of collagen fibers. Formed of bundle of collagen fibers. Now what is the work of tendon? अब tendon का work क्या होता है? Tendon. Now the work of tendon is it attach muscles to bones. जो भी हम लोग की बॉडी पार्ट में मसल्स होता है और बोन होता है, इसका जो अटैचमेंट होता है दैट इज़ डन बाय द टेंडन. मसल्स का और बोन्स का जो अटैचमेंट होता है उसको हम लोग टेंडन कहते हैं. एंड टेंडन इज़ अ फाइब्रस टिश्यू. एंड हेयर आई हैव रिटन फॉर यू ऑल, सी हियर मसल्स प्लस बोन. तो बोन्स का, दिस इज बोन एंड दिस इज मसल. मसल्स और बोन्स का जो अटैचमेंट होता है दैट इज डन बाय टेंडन. नाउ द नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज द लिगामेंट. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट इज लिगामेंट? लिगामेंट क्या होता है? लिगामेंट इज अ येलो फाइब्रस टिश्यू. टेंडन इज अ वाइट फाइब्रस टिश्यू एंड लिगामेंट इज अ येलो फाइब्रस टिश्यू made of elastic fibers and few collagen fibers. What is ligament? Ligament येलो कलर का फाइब्रस टिश्यू होता है एंड इट इज़ मेड ऑफ इलास्टिक फाइबर्स एंड फ्यू कोलेजन फाइबर्स. नाउ व्हाट इज़ द वर्क ऑफ लिगामेंट? लिगामेंट का वर्क क्या होता है? नाउ सी हियर, ligament connect the two bones. Ligament helps in connecting two bones. You all are able to see here green color. So this is the ligament and ligament helps in attaching two bones together. Hope this much diagram is clear to you all. Again I am repeating, tendon का work क्या होता है? It attach muscles to bone. And what is the work of ligament? It attaches two bone. Two bones are attached with the help of a ligament. Now hope you all have understood till here. Thank you and have a nice day.